Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing a steering boot on an ICON I40. If you've watched a couple of videos on the channel, you might have seen a steering boot we just did on Evolution. So we've got another one. This year must be the year of the boot cracking or something, because it seems like every year there's like a theme. One year it was a bunch of chargers all took a dump at the same time. It just seems like every year there's, one cart has a problem, then several of them start having the exact same problem. But I guess this year is the steering boot, so I guess it could be worse. But same as last time, we're going to be using the little boot we got from Amazon. I'll link it below and kind of show you what we got going on here. This is a, I forget what year it is, 2019, I think, I40, the low one, the purple one that we did a Uno battery upgrade on it a while back, and have since switched that out again to a 4-pack of Relion 48 volts Insight batteries. We might have a video on that as to why and what and stuff like that later on, but I just had to do it because we had a problem. But back to the boot. So if you get down here with me, there's our rack and our boot. It looks like it broke right basically where the zip tie is, right there. It even broke out here too. That's weird. Okay. So looks like it cracked and broke through out here and out over there. Lovely. So anyway, same procedure, I believe, is going to be the same thing. Cotter key, take the nut off. Actually, this one's got a tie rod boot that's cracked too. Lovely. Put that on the to-do list. That one over there is the same way. Is the boot broke? The boot is broke too. Good grief. Oops, sorry. I didn't see that one. I knew this one was broke. Guess I'll be ordering some more boots. So anyway, that's what we're doing. I'll probably put you up on a time lapse, and we'll see how easy this is. Evolution wasn't too bad. I know we had some issues with having to flex the suspension up to get the tie rod out. I don't think this one's going to be that issue because it's already pretty straight. So I'll get you set up on a time lapse and I'll get to work. Alright, so that's pretty much it for the Icon. It's pretty simple. It's a lot like the Evolution. I did have to put the cart on a jack stand and let the suspension droop a little bit, and even then I had to, you've got to clock the tie rod this way and then kind of turn it into the hole and then push it down. If you had a way to pull down on the strut apparatus, it would work too, but yeah, it's pretty simple. The same boot kit. This one works, or at least the one works. Like I said, I'll put a link to it in the description. But as you saw in the beginning of the video, the other side is bootched as well, and the tie rod boots are shot. So I doubt you can get those separately. I'll do some research and see if I can. If I can and I find it and it does work, I'll either do a real short update video or I will link it in the description below. But yeah, the tie rod boots are trashed. They're split all the way around, and the other boot's done. Everything else is fine. I would say if you have a 3-4-year-old Icon, definitely start looking at the boots because they don't seem to last. Even Evolution. I mean, Evolution's, I mean, they all come out, it's all the same rack. It looks pretty much the same. So anyway, hope this helped you. We'll stay tuned for more tips, tricks, how-tos, and maintenance issues with aging fleet of Icons. Probably going to do a video pretty soon, like changing the gear oil in them. I'm pretty sure that most of them are ready for that. Yep, that's it. I got to go get a cotter key for the tie rod end, because that one I had to cut off. You probably saw that. But yeah, just got to go run and get that and put it in, and then put it all back together. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.